is MetaLatias5 from YouTube and DeviantArt, and I want to give you a little report about Pokemon Day 2012 in Nuremberg. As you can see, I went as a shiny Charizard. This is his head. And I joined the costume contest and made place 4. This is my prize. 6 Pokemon figures. At Pokemon Day I met my friend Jasmine, who is also on DeviantArt. And yeah, if it wasn't for her, I probably would have fainted because of the heat. Because yeah, as you can see, my costume was black. And it's not just the wings and the head, it was also a long-sleeved sweatshirt for the belly, and covered feet, and 3-fingered gloves. By the way, if you want to see the finished costume, go on my DeviantArt account. There I will put all the Pokemon Day photos I made in a gallery. And yeah, the contest was pretty awesome. There were a lot of cool costumes like Lugia and Professor Oak and Brock, and a lot more. Snorlax, for example, with his little baby. That was very cute. And yeah, I had a little problem with the head, since the band that is holding it ripped, but luckily I managed to fix it in time for the contest. Yeah, Jasmine and I played Ocarina at Pokemon Day. It was pretty neat. I played 3 Pokemon songs: Jigglypuff's Lullaby, Lavender Town Theme, and Oraison. And she played 1 or 2 Legend of Zelda songs and Lugia's song. By the way, if you want me to play one of those 3 songs, Jigglypuff's Lullaby, Lavender Town Theme, or Oraison, just leave a comment and say that you want to hear one of them. Yeah, that's it. If you want to see the photos, go on DeviantArt. And yeah, if you are from Germany and live near Nuremberg, I really advise you to go there next year. I will probably be in Munich next year, since I will study. I want to study there. But yeah, it's really fun. I can really advise it to you. And now, yeah, that's all. So goodbye. See ya next time.